My name is Peter Louie. Our shop's been in business for about 15 years.
My name is Marco Aning. Shop name is Campbell Mercedes.
My name is Juan Rodriguez, and the name of my business is Garage 43.
The previous systems, when we try to get the authorization from a customer, we would have to call them and give them the quote and get the authorization.
The software I was using before Repair Tech was QuickBooks Online. My biggest headache day to day was putting stuff online on my other software and not saving it and have all my information get erased was the worst part of it.
The most challenging thing I found using the other systems, Mitchell and Shopmonkey, were navigating through them. You have to use separate softwares to look up the schematics, the repair guides, and then with Repair Tech, just kind of everything's right there and it shows you everything in the same app.
With Repair Tech, you could put information in and it saves it automatically, so it's real easy.
This system, Repair Tech, has been working well for us. So with the current system, we can email or text the customer and they were able to approve it over the internet.
Being able to send estimates, invoices, information online, text messages versus calling all the time.
Repair Tech kind of allows us to send invoices through email or text message through your phone. It sends the same way, email or text message. And it kind of makes it easier for us to communicate with them. If they're busy with their day-to-day work, hey, check the text, authorize the work or not.
And another thing is the diagnosis feature, and that's been helpful also. Repair Tech give you labor time and repair instructions.
My favorite thing is just being up to date.
My favorite thing about using Repair Tech so far is the pricing in the software. So it collects the pricing for the parts, for miscellaneous stuff, everything, gaskets and stuff like that. You just transfer it over to your invoice.
It's relatively easy to use and easy to pick up. And unlike some systems that are too complicated to navigate.
The onboarding process was super easy.
It's pretty straightforward and simple to use.
For what we do, I think this is a great program. I would definitely recommend it to other people that I know.
I would refer Repair Tech to any other shop owner. The whole system has been really good for us here at the shop. It saves me a lot of time.
If anyone were to ask me about my software and what I was using, I would honestly ever recommend it to them. And I have actually already. A few of my friends have repair shops and I say, hey, look into Repair and I think you'll like it.